Let's see how to transfer domain from Hostinger to another Hostinger account. Log into your Hostinger H panel. Now scroll down from here and here you will see the domains section. Or from the left side click on domains and then click on domains portfolio. So now we are going to select the domain that we want to transfer to another account. So I want to transfer this domain. So I am going to click on manage from here. Now from the left menu I will select domain ownership. And after that I will select initiate domain move. Now here we need to enter our Hostinger account email where we want to transfer our domain. So I'm going to add my email here and then click on confirm from here. As you can see that our domain move initiated successfully. Now we will go to this account and approve it from there. Now here on the new Hostinger email we have received a message from Hostinger. So we are going to click on confirm from here. Now we need to log into our Hostinger account where we want to transfer our domain name. After logging to our Hostinger new account, we will click on domain section and then click on accept from here. And after that we are going to click on confirm from here. Now we just need to enter our country and add our personal details. And once we are done, we are going to click on finish registration. And after that our domain will be transferred to another Hostinger account and we will receive the confirmation message on both the emails that are connected to our Hostinger accounts. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.